Cavite Moto Adventure. I'm here at the Gingerbread House. Junji House of the Shrek film. Let's go inside. One of the activities here is at the Gingerbread House. You must support Dream Board. Sulat mo, World Peace. Guys, yung mga attraction dito sa Gingerbread House. Fish pa. Alam mo na yan. Kakainin yung mga dead skin cells mo. Structures, textures. Sa loob ng Gingerbread House. Pet friendly. Show my house. Show my king. Ito yung takoyaki. So hanggang dito na lang yung 200 PH ninyo na entrance fee. Crossing there will be 300 PH. So bagong attraction yata yan. Sa entrance pinexplain yan. Kung nakinig. So this is it. The Gingerbread House in Alfonso, Cavite. Bring your kids here. Especially the kids at heart. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy sila. Once again, once more, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Gingerbread House in Alfonso, Cavite.